On Thursday, September 10th, 2020, the E-mini S&P futures was trading against this 240-minute F3 resistance over here near the market open, and I actually highlighted this in my weekly focused pre-market report. Looking at over here, that I'll be looking to do a trade over here against confluence resistance zone. I was open to going long or short based on how things develop and how price action plays out. And later I got my trade trigger over here, entered and shorted this market and booked my profits near daily F3 support node over here near the market close, which was around 4 p.m. New York time, 3:15 a.m. over here where I'm at in Bangkok, Thailand. Now, being a day trader, I rarely hold positions overnight. Mostly I try to reposition into the market each day based on the new information available to me each day. And I like to trade like that because I can control my risks and I'll manage my exposure better. And in the end, it's a less stressful way of trading and managing risks. Now, importantly, the way I trade allows me to find these low risk, high probability entry points easily so that next trade is always just around the corner. On Friday, and saw that we were trading back against this 30-minute F3 resistance node and started looking for a way back on the short side of this market. In Friday's pre-market report, I maintained my downside bias, targeting a move to OP 3278. I also highlighted that this 30-minute F3 resistance node, this daily F3 node, which is going to be the market fulcrum going into today's trading. And what this means is that these nodes will have a big influence on how we trade directionally today. So if you look at the 5-minute chart, during the first hour of trading, you can clearly see price traded and tested this 30-minute F3 resistance and very quickly reversed to the downside. It found support at the 30-minute F5 before trading back to retest resistance and eventually traded to the downside sharply again. Now, if you look at the 30-minute chart, you can clearly see how this 30-minute F3 resistance node and how this red line over here, which is the daily F3, have influenced price action today, providing support on the first test over here, retesting resistance, and we broke through support, and currently we are retesting it from the bottom, and it has now become resistance. Now, I'm still short this market, as you can see, and I'm still looking for a move to this OP node over here. And at the moment, I'm managing the trade. We still have 2 hours to go before the market closes. So let's see what happens. You can clearly see this market fulcrum, daily F3 node, providing support on the first test, break below, and currently right now serving as significant resistance intraday on the 5-minute chart. So far in intraday trends are all in my favor. So I'm going to be patient and just hold on to my short positions. Market is finding some strength near the close. As you can see, I'm still in a trade. It is looking like we won't be able to hit OP. Um, Today, market found support against this COP expansion over here and started trading higher from there. Now, that being said, we are also trading against this 60-minute resistance here. I do expect us to be retesting this 3338 level, and I'll be managing my exit soon as we are running out of time. 20 30 minutes left in the trading day, and I typically do not carry positions overnight over the weekend. So I'm going to end this recording here, but before I do, I'll end by saying this. Effective risk management and trade management is key to consistently profitable trading. And as you can see over here, you want to be taking small losses or small hits when you're wrong and be making bigger gains when you are right. So today I did 3 trades, 2 were losses, and the third one, the one that I'm still in, is so far still in profits. I'm still doing okay. So my win rate today is effectively only 33%. Yeah, but I'm still making profits for the day, even if I exit the market right here and right now. It was the same for the trades that I did yesterday, and if you follow me on my Facebook page, you will see the trades I did, and it was the same risk reward dynamic. Small hits when you're wrong, and you try to ride out the winners the best you can. And I'll be doing a number of videos that talk about all this stuff: money management and risk evaluations, trade management in the next few weeks. Some of them will be available on my Facebook page, and others you will find it at my Academy website. And I'll be making a lot of such videos moving forward. So stay tuned and good luck. I'm ready to get out of this short position anytime soon now. 15 20 minutes left in the trading day. I'm watching how price interact with the 5-minute MACD predictor near the close, and also watch this market fulcrum at 3338. If we start, if we don't break through and if we start seeing support over here, I'm out. Now they are trading back below structure. I'm gonna be looking to hold my shorts all the way into the close, which is something that I tend to do. Usually the last 30 minutes of market trading is where the professionals would show their hand, and very often you see these last minute huge market moves all the way at the end of the trading day in the last 15 minutes of trading. I'm gonna get what the market's willing to give today. I do think that we will eventually trade to this OP level over here, but we are running out of time this week. Uh, Remember I said that this daily F3 3338 is gonna be the market fulcrum. It's gonna be an important level to watch this week and today, and it's the fact that we are closing right at this node. It's quite intentional. This has got to do with the options play, options expiry on Friday. Looks like we will be closing the week right at this 3338 level. Well,